All right, let's talk about what really goes down during the first trimester of pregnancy. Whether you're expecting, supporting someone who is, or just curious, the first trimester is an absolute whirlwind, physically, emotionally, and mentally. So, what's actually happening? The first trimester covers weeks 1 to 12, and even though the bump might not show yet, there's a lot going on behind the scenes. Right after conception, your body kicks straight into high gear. You might not even know you're pregnant for the first few weeks, but your hormones? Oh, they know. Let's start with the big ones, morning sickness and fatigue. Now, morning sickness is honestly misleading. It can hit any time, day or night. That queasy feeling is thanks to rising levels of the hormone HCG, which helps the pregnancy stick, but let's be real. Sometimes it makes you want to stick your head in a freezer. Fatigue might hit you like a truck. Growing a human is hard work, so don't be surprised if you want to nap at 2 p.m., or honestly, all day. And then there's your emotions. Thanks to hormonal changes, you might feel like you're on an emotional roller coaster. Laughter, tears, and everything in between. It's normal. If you cry at a dog food commercial or get mad at your shoes, you're definitely not alone. Inside your body, your little one is already busy growing. By week 6, their heart has started beating. By week 10, they've got tiny fingers and toes. All of this is happening before you've even unpacked the baby clothes or picked out a name. You'll also probably have your first prenatal appointment during this time. It's a good moment to ask all your burning questions, big or small. Your doctor will likely offer an ultrasound and some blood work to make sure both you and baby are doing okay. And let's not forget about cravings and aversions. Maybe you suddenly can't stand your favorite food, or you're dreaming about pickles and ice cream at 2 a.m. Totally normal and kind of hilarious. So, to sum it up, the first trimester is a wild ride. Your body is working overtime, and it's okay if you feel a little overwhelmed or exhausted. Be gentle with yourself, listen to your body, and reach out for help when you need it. You've got this, even if it feels a little crazy right now. If you want to know what's next, stick around for the second trimester. Things are about to get even more interesting.